I'm walking on Top Hill Road. There's Jacob's Lodge over there. I'm at Sullivan Grove and it is raining very hard. I'm on my way to the North Overlook. I see the North Overlook. Pretty foggy. I thought we might have a little waterfall here this morning, but it's been too dry. We need a lot more rain than what we're getting. But it is beautiful here. I'm walking around in Summit Field. There's a misty rain. It is pouring down rain now. I'm leaving Summit Field. I'm taking a shortcut down through the woods to get to my car. Getting ready to cross this gully. I'm gonna hike up that hill. I like walking and hiking in the rain, but it can be a little hazardous. I'm being very careful. It rains hard for a while and then it lets up. It's just sprinkling right now. I'm getting close to Rundle Road. Look at all the mushrooms on this log. I just got home from my hike. I left a little early because my camera got wet and it stopped working. It's my old camera, so I wasn't worried about it. But once I got home, it started working again.